My battery was charging all night, but it says it's only at half. I don't like that.
$1,000 that he's gonna have to spend on your bail, right? This is the mental gymnastics, right? Or then you have to go to the old $7.50 at Gordon's in the shopping bag, you know. We got to go ahead, boys. Oh, now you're gonna leave? This is like the playbook is just, it's the same every time. The second they lose access to their phone.
Now the battery's dying. Let's see how the other one's doing. It says it's doing good. Let's switch them out. Now I'm starting to think I might just need new batteries. It was green. It was green on the charger. It's been charging for a good, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours. It's got one little bar. Could it be the outlet somehow? I don't know. But it's after 5. Got dishes to wash, so I'm gonna make some tea about it first. And maybe find a different outlet to plug my charger into and see if that helps. I really hope so, because I've only got these 2 batteries. Got the dishes washed, got the batteries moved to a different outlet to charge. And this one at least has, it says it has a full charge now, so we'll see if that lasts. Though I'm probably still going to look up if it's possible to get new batteries for this camera, because that would be a bummer. We'll call it up. He's getting ready for work now. And that's about where we're at. Nothing really happening today. Took Colin to work. The little one is knocked out back here, so it seems I'll be cleaning up her toys solo tonight. That's okay though. I don't think she made that big a mess today. I'm thinking about making a Dutch baby though. I was kind of thinking Colin's mom would still be awake, so I'd have somebody to share the pancake with, but it's just me. My recipe here is for a 10-inch pan, but that seems like an awful lot of pancake for just me right now. I think this one's about half the size. She said it's a 5-inch, if that's a 10-inch. I don't know. I'm gonna try to modify my recipe for this one though. Last time I modified the recipe it was for that giant one, but still needs some adjustments. Okay, so normally it's 2 eggs. I'm still gonna do 2 eggs even though it's a smaller pan, I think. But then everything else I'm gonna have. No, I should probably just do 1 egg. 2 eggs made sense to me a little while ago, but it doesn't now. Okay. Have everything. 1 egg, 1/4 cup, milk flour, vanilla to my heart's content.
Let me get this straight. You bought them a PS4 and your husband a PS5? But you couldn't have bought them Benz. The priorities are set straight with this one. The irony of her to say that I think a lot before I make my decisions
knows that me and my husband have 4 going on 5 kids and we are living in a 1-bedroom apartment. 5 seconds. Just 5 minutes.
When this whole thing was going down, a woman comes on TikTok and just keeps getting.
I will not be posting my child on here.
Oh, really? Years ago? How do we start? We're just people on the internet that they had sane kids. If these beds, I find this very hard.
Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes.
I was throw up. Nobody's gonna eat there, dude. Oh, the girl's finger, and I don't
even know where to begin.
Is it TMZ? E? You and that there? No, I'm done. In here, I didn't know someone could do that, but.
From there, we went to another club that was packed. We
While
did
she's
like
wearing this paperclip ring.
while she's wearing this paperclip ring.
Ooh, kissing and smoking. Sweet stuff to her.
The whole night, and
I'm just trying to get fired from this place. Did you?